A very good morning to all of you. So we were doing the rational numbers, okay, of exercise 9.1. So till question number 6 we have already completed. So we'll proceed further with question number 7. हम रैशनल नंबर्स को सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिखना सीखेंगे, हाउ टू राइट देम इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू मेनी टाइम्स, रैशनल नंबर एंड फ्रैक्शंस बोथ आर सेम, ओके, वन एंड द सेम यू कैन से. सो आपको -8/6 को सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है. सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म मीन्स लोएस्ट फॉर्म में, अप टू द फॉर्म दैट न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का HCF कितना आना चाहिए, 1. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to find out, forget about the minus sign, okay, whenever you are calculating or cancelling the numbers, just minus sign you keep it aside. You have to find out HCF of 8 and 6 which is 2. फिर आप 2 से दोनों को डिवाइड कर दोगे, -8 divided by 2 upon 6 divided by 2, and it will give you -4/3. So this is the simplest form of -8/6. So one more sum I've done for you, which is -44/72. Again you will calculate the HCF of 44 and 72, which is 4, and then divide both the numerator and denominator by 4. So the answer will be -11/18. Okay, so this way you just write them in the simplest form. Okay, so many students have a habit of cancelling them first by 2 and then by 2. That is also okay. Only one thing you have to keep in mind, that whatever the final answer you are getting, it should have the HCF as 1. उन दोनों के बीच में कोई भी common factor नहीं होना चाहिए. Now we'll see question number 8. You have to put these three signs, you know, either it is greater than, smaller than, or equal to. So this is also like comparison of fractions you all have done. Now the first part is -5/7 and 2/3. So I have done actually this, but you know, without doing this also you can say that 2/3 is greater than -5/7. Why? Because this is a positive rational number and this is negative rational number. ओके, तो ऑब्वियसली पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर जो है वो नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर से बड़ा ही होगा, वट एवर मे बी द वैल्यू. सो यू कैन राइट इट डायरेक्टली. देन विल सी द नेक्स्ट वन, -7/8 and 14/-16. And I told you, whenever negative sign is in the denominator, you can shift it to the numerator. तो ये आपका आ जाएगा -7/8 and -14/16. Now what you have to do, since these are not like fractions, तो आपने इनके denominators को पहले equal करना है and then you can compare them. So you will find out the LCM, least common multiple of 8 and 16, which is 16. तो आप second वाले fraction को you will not do anything. You will just convert the first one. Okay, so this will be 7 into 2, 8 into 2. It will become -14/16. And the second fraction was also -14/16. So the sign will be equal to sign. Now we'll see few more parts of this question. So you can see the next is 1/-3 and -1/4. Again you can shift it here, so it will be -1/3 and -1/4. So the same way what you have to do, you have to take the LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. दोनों के denominators को आप 12 बनाओगे, so it will become -1 into 4/12, so -4/12, and this is -1 into 3, because 4 into 3 gives you 12, so -3/12. Now you compare -4 and -3. So obviously -4 is smaller than -3. You all know, I hope you all remember, कि नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स में नंबर जितना बड़ा होगा उसकी वैल्यू उतनी ही छोटी होगी. So -4 is smaller than -3. So this sign will come. Okay. Next is 0 and -7/6. Here also, as I told you in the first part, this is 0 and this is negative, and every negative rational number is less than 0. That is but obvious. So no need to do anything. You can just put the sign that 0 is greater than this negative rational number. Okay, so this way you have to do the remaining sums. And ninth question is also the same, which is greater. You have to just compare. So procedure and the method is same. दो नंबर्स आपको दिए हैं, you have to make the denominators equal. 6 and 3, LCM will be 6. So the first fraction will remain as it is. You will convert the second fraction. It will become -4 into 2/3 into 2. So which is -8/6. Now you can compare minus 5 and minus 8. And since minus 5 is greater than minus 8, you can put the sign as greater than. Okay, I hope all of you are getting it. Now the next one is minus 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Now in this case already the denominators are same, they are already like fractions. So directly compare the numerators. This is minus 1, this is 1. So but obviously minus 1 is smaller than plus 1. So this sign will come. So one last part of this sum I'm doing which involves the mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction भी आपका same है, rational numbers are given. Just keep this minus sign aside, convert this. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2 is 23. So this fraction becomes minus 23 upon 7. And this fraction becomes 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 is 19, minus 19 upon 5. Now the process is same. Take the LCM of 7 and 5 which is 35 and then multiply them. So when you are converting minus 23 upon 7, it will become minus 115 upon 35 और minus 19 upon 5 को आप दोनों जगह 7 से multiply करेंगे, then it will be minus 133 upon 35. Now since this is also 35, this is also 35, just compare the numerators. So minus 115 minus 115 is greater than minus 133. So this sign will come. Okay, so this way you have to solve the remaining parts of this question. And the last question of the exercise, which is write in ascending order. So basically all the questions which we have done today are the comparison questions. यहाँ पे भी आपको वही करना है. Instead of 2, now you have to compare 3 numbers. So minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 4. Okay, so you have to take the LCM of 7, 2 and 4 which is 28. And then compare all the 3 fractions. Minus 3 by 7 will become into 4 minus 12 by 28. Minus 3 upon 2 will become minus 42 upon 28. And minus 3 upon 4 will become minus 21 upon 28. Now all the 3 have become the like fractions, that is 28. So we will convert the numerators. Okay. So minus 42 is the smallest, then minus 21 and then minus 12. So these are the numbers written in ascending order. So now just write their original fractions also. So minus 3 by 2, comma minus 3 by 4 and comma minus 3 by 7. So these are the fractions given in ascending order. Okay, so that's all for today. So complete your exercise 9.1.